Hello guys. Okay, so this time we're going to see how to write a delicious paragraph. Okay, pay attention because it's going to be delicious. So this is like making a hamburger. Do you like hamburgers? I hope so. All right, so the first sentence is going to be called the topic sentence, which with our hamburger example is like the top bun. All right, so of course is the very first sentence of your paragraph, and it tells what your paragraph is going to be about. Okay, so we have in here the paragraph. All right, so we have the sentence. There are many reasons why I love teaching at Universidad Libre. So when you read the sentence, you may imagine, okay, so the teacher is going to mention the reasons why she's happy working at this university, right? So I'm going to read the whole paragraph so that you can have a general panorama of it. First of all, this was always my dream, train future teachers. Second of all, I'm very happy supporting my students with their graduation projects. Another reason is to have the possibility of implementing new crazy innovative ideas within my classes. Finally, I really love my profession, hence my university students. Okay, so this is the whole paragraph. Now, let's continue. Then we have first detail that according to our hamburger is going to be the lettuce. All right, so this first detail needs to follow directly after the topic sentence, right? And needs to be full of good lettucey details, all right? So in our case is, first of all, this was always my dream, train future teachers, okay? The second detail, it's our tomato and cheese, all right, of our hamburger. So it needs to follow directly after the lettuce sentence and needs to be full of good cheesy details. Okay, so in our case, is second of all, I'm very happy supporting my students with their graduation projects. Okay, our third detail, it's meat. Okay, so it needs to start differently than other sentences. It's a recommendation and needs to be full of good meaty details. So in here we have another reason is to have the possibility of implementing crazy innovative ideas within my classes. Okay, so this is the meaty sentence. And finally, the closing sentence is the bottom bun of our hamburger, right? So it should look a lot like the topic sentence, okay? It needs to summarize the topic. So in here, this is it. Finally, I really love my profession, hence my university students. And if you pay attention, so this is like paraphrasing what you said in the topic sentence, all right? So you can have something like this, recommendation, include a connector, like a concluding connector, for example, finally, in conclusion, as a conclusion, in brief. And also, another recommendation is to use other connectors in the rest of your paragraph, because when you use connectors and punctuation marks, this fact makes your writing very sexy. Okay, so now hands-on practice. It's your turn to write your own paragraph. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.